Deleting documents in MongoDB. Deleting documents can be done through these three simple methods. Either you can use delete one for deleting a single document, delete many for deleting multiple documents, or you can use remove method, which has a functionality of both of this. There is an option with remove method just one. If you make it as true, it is going to delete only one document, or by default it will remove all the matching documents for the query provider. So let's see a practical example to understand how these three methods work. For this delete demo, I'll be using Mongo Booster and our Northwind database, where I'll be using the customers collection. To start with, I'm going to duplicate this collection so that we can work on a separate copy. Del demo. So I made a duplicate collection from the customers collection. Let me click view documents. So as you can see here, a document has a field by name country. Let us see the unique values present in this field country. So I'll be using distinct db.customers del demo dot distinct. If you see the description or the syntax for distinct, you can easily find that it needs a field that will be the field name. Here it is country. This must fetch us unique country names. That's good. Among the country names, if you can see here, we have XYZ and ABC. I'm going to use these two values for the delete demo. To start with, I'm going to do a delete one on this XYZ. Prior to that, let me search the number of documents with this country name XYZ. So we have 5 items in table view. This is the country name XYZ. We are going to delete one first. Again, see the method definition or syntax. So we need a query as a first parameter, and we have optional parameters. We are going to just use the first parameter, the mandatory one, that's a query, and the query is country is XYZ. So this must delete this first record or the first document, which has a customer ID ANATR. Let me execute this. So deleted count is 1, and on again finding on this, we must see only 4 records. Yes, we got 4 records. Let us shift to the table view, and the customer ID is gone. This is opposite in case of delete many. It's going to delete all the records which is going to match this particular query. Delete many now. On executing this, we must see 4 matching records. Yes. And on finding, we must not see any records. So all are gone. This is how delete many works. Now let us see the last one in our list, that is a remove method. That's very easy. See the description again, I mean the syntax again. There is an optional field just one, if you can see in the line number 2 of the syntax. So if you are going to specify this as true, it's going to delete only one record. If you are going to specify this as false, or if you are not going to specify it, it's going to delete many records. XYZ is gone. So now I am going to target on ABC. So we have 3 items matching on table view. So these countries are having text as ABC. I'll start with just one first. That's option. Just one is true. And I think this has to be capital letter. Country is ABC. This must delete this customer ID CACTU. Ocean and ranch must exist. Removed is 1. Let me query it again. Table view. It's gone. So we have ocean and ranch. So on deleting this option, just one is true. It's going to remove like delete many, or this query is going to return as empty values. On running this, 2 documents got removed. And on running this find query, we must see only empty. Yes, we got no records found. So this is how delete one, delete many and remove works. They are very simple. Only thing to remember is that remove has an optional field where you can specify just one as true. If it is specified, it deletes only one record. If you don't specify it, by default, it will delete many.